Economic experts want more financial institutions involved in the disbursement of the Central Bank of Nigeria's COVID-19 loan intervention. They also ask that the authorities give priority to the urban poor in the disbursement of cash and food palliatives. Lara Afolayan reports.
The central bank announced palliatives in support of the economy as COVID-19 pushed oil prices to an all-time low, one of which was that MSMEs and households affected by the pandemic will be getting some credit assistance. Complaints about requests for payments before accessing the loans have now been addressed by the CBN and the fund's administrating microfinance bank. Experts now want more financial institutions involved in the fund's disbursement for better access by beneficiaries as the impact of the times bite harder.
If you look at the conditions, collateral is a requirement. But when you say, when you remove that aspect and maybe require them to bring guarantors and then require them to show evidence that they can pay, I think that should suffice for now. Another thing I would also like to see, to facilitate access is for more financial institutions to be involved.
Thousands of other countries are doing. We should also do the same and not task Nigerians. Rather, we should look for ways of assisting Nigerians, like the conditional cash transfer that I hear about. We should increase the numbers because there will be more Nigerians not trading, more Nigerians not involved in any economic activity.
Security agencies are presently battling to contain rising crime in Lagos. Hoodlums are hiding under the cover of lockdown-induced hunger to rob the public.
There is still rice.
Amateur videos have also emerged showing food items being forcefully taken from moving trucks in Abuja. The authorities are now advised to focus on ensuring palliatives get to the urban poor as the lockdown's impact is being felt more in urban areas with strict enforcement.
This lockdown is hitting people in the cities, more than people in the rural areas. Because if you go to rural areas, our local government areas, a number of economic activities, is still going on there, and that's because the markets are still on. Okay, but it is more in the cities. And that is why the people in the urban areas, the urban poor, should be paid attention.
We have a population of almost 200 million. All this was collected using data. So we should be able, just like NEPA is able to locate any house in Nigeria and give them their bill, we should be able to locate Nigerians. This is not rocket science. Nigerians are in Nigeria. They are not in space. So we should be able to locate them wherever they are.
The CBN introduced the 50 billion naira integrated credit facility for MSMEs and households affected by COVID-19 through the Nesal Microfinance Bank as part of efforts to cushion effects of the pandemic on the Nigerian economy. Lara Afolayan, TVC News, Abuja.